PowerPoint Module 6 Practice Review Assignment. Let's copy 6-2 into your working folder and then rename it. That is lights. And then open it. Okay, we will add our name, your name, in this subtitle. All right. Okay, number 2, we're gonna compare these slides with this PowerPoint. Then, so go to click the Review tab. Review tab, and okay, we're supposed to have a review, and then we're supposed to have compare. So in the compare group, click compare, select the file, go to navigate to your student data files folder, and then select then, okay, merge, then click merge button. Okay, so we have this one. Alright, so as you click this, there are some comments, the result of comparing two files, like this. Alright, do not accept the changes on slide 1. Okay, if you click slide 1, then you can click this part, then this one says delete it, your name. So we don't want to accept this. So we don't want to accept this. So if you check on this one, then this name is deleted. As you see, this is gone, right? So make sure uncheck. Do not check on this one. Deselect it. Right, and then accept changes on slide 2. So go to slide 2, accept the changes on slide 2, and then end the review. Okay, so this one inserted, inserted. Okay. And then we can end this compare. Okay, on slide 2, read, and then read the comment, read the comments. So click this comment, and it says, okay, you forgot adult softball. Right? So read it, and then delete that comment. So we're gonna delete this one. So click this, and then you can click this delete. So delete. Alright, next on slide 7, so we can close this one, close, and then close this. On slide 7, okay, read the comment, so click this comment. Okay, have you looked into solar powered lights? Then they could stay on for pickup games. And then we will reply, so click the reply and then type, that's a good idea. I will look into the feasibility of that. So type this sentence. Okay, on slide 4, click slide 4. Okay, insert the following as a new comment. So we want to insert a new comment. So click this new comment, and then you can add your comment. So type maybe extend the time to 11 p.m. on weekend nights. So type this sentence and then reposition it. So click this comment and then move it to the left of the second bulleted item, like this. Okay, then close it and apply parallax theme. So the theme is in the design tab. Parallax is, it should be at the bottom somewhere. Is it this one? This one? Oh, it's got to be somewhere over here. Parallax. So this is the parallax. So select this theme. Okay, and then choose the third variant. So in the variants, more button. So there's nothing. So actually the third one is this one. So select this third variant. This one. Okay. Okay, change the theme font. So click the variants, more button. Then we have colors, font, effects. So select this font menu, and the font will be this one, Consolas Verdana. So scroll down, Consolas Verdana here. So we will select this font, Consolas Verdana. Right, and then we will customize the theme. So click this font, tab again, we will customize. So you can click this. Well, okay, let me check on this. So click the variant more button again, and then fonts. So we can customize this font. So go all the way down, select this customize fonts, and then from here, the heading font will be, okay, now the heading text uses Arial. So select Arial for this. Okay, save the custom theme for font set with the default name. So default name is custom one, so just leave it as it is, and then save. Okay. Now delete the custom theme fonts set from the computer. So click the click this theme. Then if you see this one, this is the font that we just included. Okay, wait a second. How about here? You know, the font that we created is in here. So fonts arrow, and this is the one, custom one, right? So we want to delete this. So right click on this. You can delete your customized fonts. Delete. Okay, number 8. Modify the slide master. Okay, slide master is this one. It's in the view tab. Click the view tab. In the master's view, here is slide master. So click on this, and then scroll all the way to up. Okay, the slide master is this. This one controls the slides. So as you move your mouse on top, okay, this one is parallax slide master. The second slide is, the name of the slide is title slide layout. This one is title and content layout. The third one is section header layout, and 2 content layout. So there are different types of layouts. So you can customize these layouts using this slide master. Okay, so we want to change the width of title text placeholder to this one. Okay. Okay, from this slide master, this is title slide text, title text placeholder. So click the border of this one, and then format tab. We want to change the width. So click width and then make it 10 inches. And then align its right edge with the right edge of the contents placeholder. So hold down the shift key, and then click border of this title text placeholder, and then move it to the right. so it aligns with the right edge of the content placeholder. Okay, now change the width of the contents. So click the contents placeholder, and then format tab. The width should be also 10 inches. And then align it to the right edge. Do the same thing. Hold down the shift key, move it to the right, and then align it along with the title. Okay, number C, letter C. Change the width of the footer. Okay, this is the footer, right? Click the footer. And then width should be 7.98. Click the width, 7.98. Enter. And then align it. Its left edge should be aligned to the left edge of this placeholder. Okay, letter D, in the content placeholder, this one, change the font size of the first level, item 28. So select the first level like this. We want to change the font size, so home tab, make it 28. And change the font size of the second level. Select the second level and make it 24. And change the vertical alignment of the content placeholder to top. So this one should be moved to the top, aligned to the top. So you can do that in here. In the home tab, click this align text arrow, select top. So this one moved to the top of this placeholder. Okay, letter E, change the color of the bulleted character. So select this all bullets. And then color. So we will change the bullet color. So click this bullet arrow, then bring it down. Okay. Make sure it does not cross this because it changes. So from here, select this bullets and numberings, and we want to change the color. So the color should be green accent 2, darker 25. Green accent 2. Where is it? Green accent 2, darker 25, which is this one. So select this color. And then change the size to 150% of the text. Make this size to 150%. Okay, and enter. Okay, ungroup the graphic on the left side, this one. So this is the graphic, so we want to ungroup it. So in the Format tab, click the Format tab, select the group arrow, ungroup. And then click outside. We skipped this one. Okay, let's try this one, F first. Okay, change the space before every bulleted item to top. So select this whole bulleted items, home tab, and then paragraph. Click the paragraph. We'll make the spacing before. Before should be 12 points. Okay, and then click OK. All right, and then for letter G, Format tab, click the Format tab. Okay, we just ungrouped it. Okay, change the fill color of the top green. So this is top green, right? So select this top green, select this top. And then we want to change the fill color. So shape fill, then select green accent 2. Green accent 2, select this color. Then select the bottom green shape, this one. Select this, and then change the color. Green accent 2, darker 25. Shape fill. Green accent, darker 25%. So select this color. Okay. And then number 9. Duplicate the title slide layout. So title slide layout is, move your mouse cursor. So this slide is title. slide layout. Can you see the tooltip? So click this one, then right click on this so that you can duplicate the layout. So select duplicate. Alright, so we created another title slide layout. And then we want to rename the new layout to title slide alternate. So click rename. Okay, rename. So make sure this one is selected, and then click rename and type title slide alternate. Rename it. So if you move your mouse, then the name of this layout is title slide alternate. Okay, number 10, delete the graphic on the title slide alternate layout. So we want to select this graphic and then delete. Delete. Okay, deselect the footer. So deselect the footer. You know, these are the footers, right? These are the footers. So deselect. Then this one removes the footer. Okay, and then number 11. Okay, change the height of the title text placeholder. So click the title text holder and then format tab so that we can change the height. So it will be 1.8 inches, and then the width will be 13.33 inches. Align it center to the center of the slide. So hold down the shift key and then move it to the left like this. Okay, change the vertical alignment of the text. So vertical alignment of the text will be home tab. And then click this one, and then select, make it on top. Okay, then change the vertical alignment of the text in the title text placeholder to top. So this is what we did. Center to the center of the slide, and the align is top to the top of the slide. So move this one, move this one to the top. Okay, and then this content should be centered. So click any place here, and then in the paragraph group, click this center. So we can center this title. Okay, number 12. Change the width of the subtitle. So click the subtitle, and then format tab. The width should be 7 inches. And then align its right edge. So hold down the shift key, then move it to the right so it aligns with the right edge of the slide. Okay, position it horizontally. In this case, we can position this one. So click this, let's click this size dialog box, size pane. So from here, we can change the location position. So click this position. And the position is 6.33 from the top left corner horizontally. So horizontally 6.33 top left corner, and the vertically 4.88 inches. 4.88 inches top left from the top left corner. Enter. Okay, and then number 13, fill the background of the title slide. So let's remove this. Okay, title slides. Okay, this is a title alternate slide, right? So let's change the background of this one. So make sure, wait a minute. Okay, make sure you selected the title slides alternate. So from here you can click the background styles. So in the slide master tab, click the background slides arrow and then format background. And then we will select, make sure picture is selected, and then insert. Click this insert tab so that we can insert this picture. So browse, navigate to your student data files folder. Okay, and this is the night. So select this picture and then insert. Okay, number 14. Fill the title, text placeholder shape. So click the title text placeholder and then change it with gradient. So click the gradient fill. So there are 4 stops. So we want to create, we will have 3 gradient stops. So why don't we select one of these 2 and then delete. Maybe second or third and then delete it. We will change this one. So there are 3 stops. Okay, and then click the first stop and change the color using RGB. So you can do this one by clicking this color arrow and then more colors. And then from this custom tab, you can see the RGB. So we will change 3 colors. 5, 21, 36. 5 for the green, 21, blue, 36. Okay. And select the second one, second stop, and do the same thing. More color. 5, 21, and 36. Okay, and then last, do the same thing. 5, 21, and 36. Okay. So we just changed all 3 stops. Gonna position the first stop at 0% and then transparent 0. So click the first stop, 0 position, and then transparency is 0%. Okay, click the second stop, and then 50%. So the position should be at 50%, and then transparent is 50%. Okay, select the third one, the last one. This should be at position at 10%, and then transparency will be 100%. Okay, number 15. So we just updated the gradient, formatted the gradient information. Okay, number 15. Change the color of the text in the title text and the subtitle to white background one. So click the border of the title placeholder, and then the color is what? Color is white. White background one. No, Control Z, sorry for this. Okay, we will do this one at the home tab. Home tab. I'm sorry, not home tab. We are changing the text, right? Text. So go to the home tab and then click the font color and make it white. And then click the subtitle. Also select the color white. Okay, format the text in the title text placeholder as bold. So select this border of the title text placeholder and then make it bold. Okay, number 16, rename the slide master. Okay, this is the slide master. So let me close this. So slide master, so rename it. So click the slide master tab and then click rename. So type alt parts theme. Okay, we just renamed the slide master. And number 17, in normal view. All right, so let's go to this is the slide master view. So click the view tab and then select normal. Okay, and then change the layout of slide 1. Click the layout slide 1. This is title slide, right? To title slide alternate layout. This is the one we just created. So click the layout arrow. Then this is the title slide alternate. This is the layout we created, right? So select this one. Okay, and then reset slide 5. Click slide 5. Slide 5. Then once you reset it, then this will be, adjusted to the new format. So click reset. Okay, and then number 18. Create a custom show named new plan that contains slide 4. Okay, click slide 4. Slide 5, it's okay. So we will create a slideshow, custom slideshow. So click the slideshow. Here is custom slideshow. Click this arrow and then custom shows. So when you do a PowerPoint presentation slideshow, we can select some of the slides. So click new, and then we're gonna select slide 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. So new lighting plan, projected reduction in kilowatt hours. You can select this one and then edit. So we selected 3 slides. Okay, and then number 19, add the custom properties. So click OK. And then the name of this one is new plan, right? New plan. So click the name of this slideshow to name new plan. New plan. Click OK. And then click close. So if you do the slideshow, then it will show only 3 slides. I'm sorry, not sorry. Okay, we started from the beginning, but select this one, custom slideshow. Since we create a new plan, so select this one. Then it will show only 3 slides. Right? Okay. Okay, number 19, add the custom property editor. So we can change the property of this PowerPoint similarly to the Word file. So go to the File tab and then Info. On the right upper right corner, here's Properties. Click Advanced Properties. And then from here, you can change the property of this document. So select the Custom tab. Okay, Property Editor. So select the editor from here. Select Editor. And then the value will be your name. And then create a new custom property. So click Add. Create a new custom property, Draft. Okay, so the type. Click the type arrow, and type arrow should be yes or no. Yes or no, and the name should be Draft. Draft, and then make sure yes is selected, and then Add. Okay, so we can change the property of this document and click OK. Save the changes. So save it. Alright. And then make sure you save the changes to the presentation. Delete slide 2 to 7. Okay, we already saved it, right? Saved it. And then we're gonna create a theme. Okay, theme. So we don't need this slide 2 to 7. So click slide 2. Hold down the shift key, click slide 7. Then it will select all the slides between the first click and the last click. Then delete. So we delete it these slides. Okay, save the presentation as a theme. So click the File tab, Save As, click Save As, then Browse. Okay, the Save As type will be Office Theme. Here. So select this Office Theme. And then okay, the default folder is Document Themes. We don't want to save this one in here. So navigate to your Student Data Files folder. Okay, go to your Student Data Files folder and then rename it as Park. The theme name was Park Theme 2. Okay, and then save it. All right. All right, and then you can close this, but okay, this is a light, right? Do not save this file. Just close it. Okay, close this file without saving, right? So don't save it because we already saved this file. Don't save it. All right. And then you can reopen this one, lights, reopen it so that we can also encrypt the file. So this is how you can encrypt the file. Click the File tab, Info, and then Protect Presentation. Here it is, Encrypt with Password. So click this. You can type password in the lights. LIGHTS. Enter LIGHTS, lights. So this is encrypted. So close this. And then, you don't have to save it, right? Because this was already saved. All right, then open it again. I'm sorry, we should have saved it. Right, we should have saved it. I'm sorry. So light, and then close it. So save it, and then open it again. Then it will ask you to enter passwords, right? So open it, and then let's remove the passwords. So click Info, and then click this arrow. Click this Encrypt with Passwords, and then remove this one. Remove it, and then click OK. So there is no password protected. And then save it. So when you submit this file, do not encrypt with passwords. Okay, so skip this part. All right, so save it, and then close. We are done.